Hey there! Are you willing to increase your likes, views and followers for your social accounts on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and other platforms? Well, you're in the right place. At funnels.ng, we help small business owners to boost account engagements and improve post visibility. We also offer a resale service for big and small social media marketers and APIs to enable direct sales of likes and followers on the reseller's website. This resale service has become a major focus for SMM panels as it's more profitable. Funnels NG SMM panel caters specially for individual users who simply want to give a boost to their social engagement on an extremely tight budget, as well as resellers. Most SMM panels only have fixed packages with a defined number of likes, views and followers, while Funnels NG also operates a flexible plan and more options like a free trial and delivery of likes, views or followers at intervals over a specified period. We also have a script for your panel that's responsive and has automatic order delivery, which ensures multiple orders are processed in seconds with no human involvement. How to use Funnels NG SMM panel? Step 1. If you already have an account with us, just click on Sign In. If not, click on Sign Up. Step 2. Click on this button to add funds to your wallet. Since it's your first time to add funds, you'll need to contact our support. Step 3. After adding funds, you can now select the service you need. Final step. Once the order is placed, you'll get your order ID to track its completion and status through your dashboard. Head over to Funnels NG SMM panel and claim your $1 sign-up credit today. See you there. Bye.